My name's Jack Dunlop, and I'm just going to walk you through my second assignment. So I'm just going to start by compiling it. This takes a second. I was going to say that I have done all the criteria from task one, all the workshops, up to task six with the complex figure. You're going to see my complex figure. I just kind of did my own thing. It still has two arms and two legs. It doesn't look like the image, but it's still, it's still a tree structure, which I can show you. And obviously my simple linear one, also a tree structure, which I can show as well. And we can see them here. I'll just quickly come over here. This is my complex, and you can see the tree structure. Yeah, so lots of recursion used within my application to do whatever I needed to do, rotating, translating, yeah. So let's walk through my application. As a theme, we just did a really simple, these alien type colors, which for this, I'm using shaders, just what we did in the workshop. And then I made my two different shaders, so that's another criteria. As they're walking, the head's wobbling at the same time as it's walking. It always is in the same range for both objects. So what we can see is we have a ground, we have the theme I just explained, they're jumping continuously as they walk. I did code that makes them jump up and down as they walk, and I also cover jumping forward in a second. But it's really easy just to see what's going on here. Another thing I've also done is the camera movement, which I think is task 5. I've done that. But to get into what I've actually done with some IO operations. So just like I said before, we've done some simple jumping. If I hold down my arrow key, I will make the block figure jump. If I hold down W, I can make the linear object jump. Cool. These aren't mirrored. This is completely independent. So this one's jumping. They also rotate off the wall. I left it so it kind of bounces off the wall. If you do a forward jump, so we're going to see a forward jump right now, and it kind of bounces back, which is cool. Yeah, so I'm able to press my either down arrow or my S, and I can make it do a forward jump. And we can also change directions. So I can keep going back, and I can kind of jump into it, bounce off it, which I really like. I think that's a cool feature. And a bit of momentum. Also, we have the collapsing. My code like it slumps over, but if we press Z, it goes to the ground if it's jumping, and it goes down. So the same happens with the other object. Goes down, comes up, you see the shaders, the color changing. And yeah, when that happens, let's do it again. I cannot use any other, I'm pressing my keyboard, I don't know if you can hear that, and I can't do anything else until it's done. Obviously we have the two, for task 5, we have the 2 player mode. That is done, I've shown that, and then my complex object for task 6 with the shaders. Yeah, so I've just done really simple shaders, what we just did in the workshop, and made a few materials. Cool, that's my assignment, thank you.